Do you know some Filipino language?
Hello kabayan, mahal kita.
Say it again.
Hello kabayan, mahal kita.
What? Chupa chups?
Chupa chups. Not chupa chupa. Chupa chups. Kabayan, chupa chups.
Buhay ka pa?
Buhay ka pa?
Pero, ang baho mo na.
Ang baho mo na.
Lalo na ang
ang
hininga mo.
hinuang mo.
Kamote, say the word buhay ka pa.
Siya nanood.
Puta. Say the word buhay ka pa. No!
Si Dohot, buhay ka pa?
Meaning say the word buhay ka pa.
I don't know.
Say it. Filipino language. Buhay ka pa.
Buhay ka pa? Yes.
Louder.
Louder? Yes. Tell na, yes louder.
Louder means shout. Buhay ka pa.
Buhay ka pa. Buhay ka pa, shout.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Say the word buhay ka pa.
Buhay ka pa?
Pero
Pero,
ang baho mo na.
ang baho mo na.
Lalo na
Lalo na
ang
ang
hininga mo.
hinuang mo.
Hininga
Hininga
mo.
mo.
I want to ask you something. Hello, I want to ask you something.
Yes.
Okay. In Bangladesh, how will you call someone just in case if you forgot his name or her name?
You maybe boy. You tell.
It's a man, boy.
Bye.
Bye.
Only bye.
How about a woman?
Madam.
Madam?
Madam only. Apu.
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 Ah, okay. You know in the Philippines how we call someone if he forgot his name or her name?
No.
Say, huy!
Huy.
Huy, kamote!
Huy, kamote.